Hey there, this is Shaun. In this lesson, I'm going to go over the Variant Manager, and I'm specifically going to focus on it for use in look and lighting development. So let me show you what I've got going so far. I've got a difference in sky dome attributes, as well as light angle. You can see the light coming in through here. Notice the chair, as well as the lights in the room. So we'll switch over to the other one. Yep. All right, great. So let's show how to quickly turn on the Variant Manager because it's a plugin. Then I'll go over how to quickly set up some of the attributes. In Settings, Plugins, you got to go into here, type Variant Manager, turn it on. It's good to note that it's still in beta as of Unreal 4.25. I've noticed a few bugs, but it's still great. Then probably want to put it into a folder, right click, it's under miscellaneous. And then here's the level variant set that you need to create. So we'll just call this my level variant set 2. And we can create a new set. And from there, we create a variant on that set. So I'm going to hit F2 and just type lighting 1. And then we just need to select the attributes that we want to drop into that. So I might just do only a few of these objects to speed up the tutorial. So we'll just do these, and then anything else that we want to add, we can just do afterwards. So we've selected those, we want to drag those in. It says, oh, okay, we want to add the brightness parameter, the color parameter. For the chair, we want to add relative rotation and location. So here's relative rotation and location. What else do we want to add? Probably material. So here's static mesh material on the chair. Let's hit select so we can see what attributes that we've added. If there's something we missed, we can always add that. And we can also, if we've added a material attribute that we didn't want, we can just right click and say, hey, get rid of that, remove. So let's set those attributes. We can give this chair a chromic look because that was so close. Sometimes there's a couple ways of adding these attributes. You can click here. Sometimes also you can click on this record function, and then to lock in and see the attributes, you need to double click. I'm going to turn this all on, and sometimes I've noticed it just doesn't automatically update. So I just double clicked and it locked in. So some of the attributes automatically lock in. So I'm rotating this, and it looks like it's just auto saving that information, which is great. Okay, so let's set up some of these differences in color. We don't see a difference here. I'm going to make this 500. Double click, and we should see the difference here. Yep, great. So let's do the other one. Make this brighter. Double click. All right, great. So now once we've got that all set up, we can take those attributes and propagate them into another variant. So if we right click, we can duplicate this, but we might want to set a thumbnail. So just right down here, you can set it from the viewport and it just drops in. If you don't like that one, you can move the camera around and create a new viewport thumbnail. And now let's just duplicate it. Control W. All right, let's rename this. Let's call this light 2. And now we can start making new changes. So let's set this as, we'll just do something that's obvious. Green, okay. Maybe we're going for a holiday theme. We'll do, contrasting colors. There we are. And we can make the chair its own material. And it's back. And since we have that still turned on, hopefully that'll lock in its position. And there we go. Great. Yeah, the sky sphere was pretty similar. I just added the directional light and the sky sphere, and then I think I also did the cloud speed and like the star brightness. But that pretty much sums up what I think are I think the lighting and movement differential properties alone make this really great for pre-visualization and also like look development. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.